Remember, ang business is building something. Business doesn't mean absolute profit. Business means you have to build first before you profit. Not profit, then you build. Deliver sa lahat ng mga may small business, don't quit your small business. Whatever situations you have, I feel you. Because there are 4 reasons why you should not quit your small business. Long time ago, when I was starting my small businesses, I quit too early. So sayang, nanginayang ako. Sana may mga traditional and small business ako na napag-grow na natin. But because it keeps harder to grow and to maintain them, I quit. Which should not be the case. Okay? There are 4 reasons bakit hindi tayo dapat mag-quit sa small business natin. First, every business has a testing season. Yung season na meron ka ngayon, baka it's a season of learning, it's a season of adjustment, or your business is about to grow. Remember the story of Netflix. When they started, they are mailing the DVD po. Literal na minimail ang DVD sa mga clients nila. Then, technology advanced. So, what they did, they adjusted. So, instead of mailing the DVD, nagkaroon po sila ng online streaming. Remember, 1990s also, Apple was close to bankruptcy. So, what did they do? Nag-adjust sila. They simplified their products line. Right now, Rockstar Seminar and Coaching, we also adjusted. Dahil sobrang dami ng mga speakers nag-offer ng free seminar online on different topics. So what we did is we adjusted because I cannot afford a free seminar. Hindi po ako fan ng free seminar. People has to pay to give it more value. So what I did is nag-adjust kami. Nagpunta tayo sa clients na hindi nararating na ibang speakers o hindi market ng ibang speakers, the school owners. So ano yung kailangan mong i-adjust sa business mo? Don't quit. Baka kailangan mo lang mag-adjust. Second reason why you should not quit your small business is you are building something long-term. Baka yung business mo pang long-term siya. Remember Amazon, years of loss for long-term dominance. Ito yung history ng Amazon, no? 1995 to 1999. For 4 years, no consistent profit. Then 2000 to 2005, still focusing on growth, not profit. Yun pinagdaanan nila. Growth and growth lang talaga. Kinaga po ni Jeff Bezos, hindi siya nakatingin dun sa profit. And 2006 to 2010, Amazon became financially strong and globally dominant. So you are also building the same thing. Long term. Di ka kumikita ngayon, naka 1 year ka na, 2 years ka na, 3 years ka na. Because you are building that brand, building your product, and building your system for long term. And number 3 reason why you should not quit your small business. Because when you quit, what is your tendency? Because you have the burning desire to start your business. When you quit this one, what will you do? You start something new. Mahirapan ka na dyan sa current thing na you are building. Remember, ang business is building something. Business doesn't mean absolute profit. Business means you have to build first before you profit. Not profit, then you build. You have to build first, then profit. And last reason why you should not quit on your small business, because other people needs your services. Meron po akong keynotes na isang school owner. Sabi niya, Doc, I want to give up my school. Pero meron pa kami mga estudyante. Exactly, sabi ko, yung mga estudyante na yan, yung mga parents na nagtiwala sa'yo, they still need your values. They need your vision, your mission. Kailangan lang mag-adjust lang tayo, mag-strategize lang tayo. Okay, deliver sa lahat ng mga business owners and you need coaching, PM me sa personal FB ko, yan po ang personal FB or yung sa WhatsApp natin. Ito po yung WhatsApp natin, 093952543111. I can coach you po, pwede tayong magkita sa Makati or online sa mga sobrang malayo. Let's go! Kape po tayo. Kape po.